If you search on any browser for React interview questions, scroll down and go to the link that's holds on the GitHub. Click the link, and here on this repository, you'll find a lot of interview questions in React with just OL documentation, and just here 200 of interview questions about React and advanced of React. So you will easily find everything here, and you can take preparation from here and achieve your next job and interview. If we scroll down at the bottom, so this is our just first question answer. What is actually React? So just React is JavaScript UI library, building user interface, component based architecture, JS, single page application, client side application, lot of things. So every question has just well structure, well documented, well organized. You can just easily read everything, and you will easily understand and able to just learn the real world scenario. What is actually that? So some like what is JSX? JSX you can write HTML code directly in JavaScript. What is difference between element and component, like that, and everything you will get like a well structured, documented interview questions and answers. What is just pure components? What is state in React? How it's working? What are props in React? How you can pass props? So everything is well documented, not only for interview success. You will get a lot of benefits if you learn it, and you will understand how it is actually working, and when and why you should use them, like that. Why you should use like synthetic events like stop propagation, prevent default. Why? Suppose by default form click, default behavior is reloading the whole window after submitting form. So we can prevent this with prevent default and stop propagation. So only work this event for this, and other events will be just disabled. So what is virtual DOM? Virtual DOM is a just copy of actual DOM, and when this actual DOM just says, then just compare between the previous virtual DOM and a new actual DOM, and just make necessary changes on virtual DOM and display some diagram. You can easily understand what actually happened and how is virtual DOM actually working. So here you find a lot of documented questions and answers. How to just control components, like that. So when the state managed input state managed with this React state, then it will just control, and this is uncontrolled component that taking a state with the useref, and it is just dump. So here you have a lot of documentation, what sealed prop. So you can just pass sealed prop like that. You can access sealed like that. Okay, so what is reconciliation? So here you have a lot of advanced, just beginner to advanced level of question. So how to create just higher order components, or any advanced beginner to advanced level question that you will help you to get your next job on React.js, or you will find a lot of benefit from here. So just read this. It is beginner friendly and easily. I hope you will understand everything, and you will be succeed on your next job. So how to focus input after this, just mount a page or mount a route. So you can easily do this with the input ref. Also, you can use like document.get element by ID or anything else, and you can just current focus. You can do it. So easily, everything is just simple. You can just test it out, and I hope you will get a lot of benefits to achieve your next goal, next interview, and you will also learn to take practical example in yourself with React, then that will help you a lot to understand what is actually happening. Or you can check it out them. They are just providing a lot of interview question and answer, geek for geeks, and W3 schools, standing, and lot of website you will find just most asked interview questions about React or anything else that whatever you want. And also the world easiest way and just advanced way, you can find it by ChatGPT. If you ask ChatGPT, generate questions and answers about React. Okay, instead of using sum, you can use like number, how many question and answer you want. We just will document it. React interview question and answer. Wow, it's great. I think this is the new update. I got it. Draft and refine. Maybe it is the new update of React. Wow, we're getting this React interview questions like beginner friend. What is React? The key features of React, like JSX, unidirectional data flow, parser DOM, and a lot of things. What is JSX? Everything. It is providing a just expanded, documented questions and answer for you that help you to achieve your next job in React. So the main hooks or common hooks in React, like use state for handling temporary data use effect, for handling side effects or fetching data from APIs, or use context for passing data between pages, use ref for just working with DOM, and working with this dump value that will not re-render between whenever it will be changed. Or you can use reducer to handle complex stick logic. Like what is the purpose of use effect? Data fetching, subscription, directly interacting with DOM, something like that. Hey, you will find a lot of documentation. What is the server-side prop and the server-side rendering in React? So you can use it in Next.js. You can easily do it in the pages directory, but Next updated app directory it is not providing. And you will also search here like this interview question, Next.js, search on it, and you will find anything else. Like you need to generate basic hello world to advanced level of code. It can be generated for you. It can be generated for you. You can just write what you need in any language. Your commands can be just any language. Just write your command basic. Give me a React and React and use state validated form. Okay, it will be just generate just a validated form for us, something like that. It is just code structure as like as React. You can just copy and paste it. Like this is the form. This is to handle errors. This is state for handle errors. So whenever the it is just checking and validating in real time. Whenever you just handle submit, it is just validating. Whenever you just handle submit, and your errors will be cached, and the error is set on the state, and error is just displaying on the after the input field. So you can generate anything else from here. You can generate interview questions or anything else. Like every time you will get the 10 or 20 or 100 of interview question and answer with well documented. or you can give just your number, whatever you want. So that is it. You can test out. You can use this browser, or also you can use ChatGPT, or you can use Gemini, Copilot, Bolt, V0. So at this moment, you can just use ChatGPT and browser to learn the basic and advanced interview questions. Well documented. You can use GitHub repository.